You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light, cooler than the flip side of my...
Hi, I'm Maryam Hamayed.
My name is Yamshar,
and today we're going to talk about the yeast experiment. When we had biology, we watched a video with our teacher talking about the yeast experiment, and she told us to do it at home.
So we did it.
And these were the results, and some stuff what happened during the experiment that took us a bit to think about. This is A.
We put in bottle A water, yeast, and sugar. I placed a balloon and put it in a warm place.
And when we put it in one place, the balloon inflated. The yeast produced CO2, which made the balloon inflate.
As the dough also. Bottle B was only containing water and sugar, which didn't inflate.
The yeast produces CO2, which in this case, a bottle B did not have any CO2, any yeast inside. Next was bottle C. Bottle C, we did not put any water. We just put yeast and sugar, but it did not work. Why? The yeast needs water, and since we had no water, it did not produce any CO2. We conclude that yeast makes fermentation, but what are the conditions?
The conditions are sugar, yeast, water, and a warm place.
If we didn't have these, what would happen?
We will not have no longer fermentation.
Okay. And oh my God, I forgot to tell you about what happened with the project. For bottle A, I tried it out and it did not work. I put the yeast, water, sugar, and it did not blow up. I was wondering why.
You needed to put it in a warm place.
I also put it in a warm place, but it didn't work. I wondered, but then after, I kept on trying and trying. My brother told me to just give up, it's not going to work. But then after, I used warm water, and it finally worked out.
Okay.
I advise you to try this at home, but don't make the same mistake as I did.
It's helpful and fun. Try it at home.
Don't make the same mistake as me. Remember.
Just the thought of you can drive me wild. You make me smile like the sun.